Hello everyone. In this lecture we will explore more about exception handling and we will continue with the last example. So here we have handled this zero division error, but there is a small issue here. So I'll show you. I'll run this program. What if user enter a string 4? Now you can see this time the program is not able to handle the exception because here we have written int and we are expecting integer value, but user has given a string, so it raises, you can see here, value error. So invalid literal. So how to handle this? Input may be wrong. If it is 0, second value is 0, so we are able to handle that exception. Now how to handle this one? So this part can create a problem, so I'll cut it and put inside try block, because try is a block where we have to write the code where exception can be raised. Right? Now let's remove this part, and this time it is different error, right? Value error. Zero division is different, value error is different. So here one more block I can write here, value error as, let's say, error object, and let's print this error object. So we can have one try and multiple except block. Right? Let's run it again. Enter. First let's test it. It's working, no problem. There is no exception. Now 0, yes, division by 0 exception is working. Now a string something, and you can see here invalid literal. So let's print another message here. I'll not print this error here. I'll write please enter valid numbers. Any message you can print here. Okay. Now we know how to handle here multiple exceptions, zero division error, value error. So let's modify the same program to ask the user again and again until user enter a proper input. So in this case, if there is any exception, the program will terminate, right? So I'll convert this program where it will ask again if we are not able to divide. You can try this small exercise yourself, okay, and you can see my solution. You can pause the video and try. So what you have to do, this part will be inside a loop where it will ask the user to enter these inputs. If it is wrong, like if there is any exception out of zero division or value error, again you have to enter these values. But if you are able to divide properly, then program will stop. So you can pause the video and try this yourself. Let's understand how it works. So first of all, we have to write here while condition, which will always true, right? And this complete part will be a part of while loop. Okay, but then where we have to terminate this? Of course here we have to break it. If control is able to reach here in this point, then we can terminate it, right? Otherwise it will ask again. So let's run this. String, again it asks enter first number. So this time I'll give 0. You can see division by 0. Again it is asking Now I am giving proper input, and you can see here result. So very simple, right? Just put inside while loop, while condition is true, true is right, and then execute this part. So if you enter a wrong input here, for example some string, so it will come here in this value error. So program is not terminated, loop is not terminated. So again it will ask, again it will go here. And if it is zero division, so from here this point control will go to zero division. Again this break is not executed. But if everything is fine, then it will print the result and then break it. Then terminate the loop. So here you can see. Alright. And we'll see more examples like this, and we'll explore more about exception handling in coming lecture.